Look at me, just a wire hanging loose above the sea. Can't you see? I'm sending out a broken frequency. Take my coat and read every line of my sorrow. Silver wings burning as the atmosphere sings. I am damn tethered to orbits tight and narrow. So let the static take hold. The silence is freezing, signals fading in the cold. The mission's over and the final story's told. Drifting completely, but I'm just a steel bird trying to whisper a word, looking down on the blue, reflecting the light back to you. Oh, I'm just a steel bird trying to whisper a word. What are we? Just a quiet lens above the gravity. Look at me, watching the weather change into a tragedy. Don't you dare tell me the batteries are empty. Yesterday I saw a storm erase the coast. Turn the page, maybe the screen will show a beacon. So let the static take hold. The silence is freezing, signals fading in the cold. The mission's over and the final story's told. Drifting completely, but I'm just a steel bird trying to whisper a word, looking down on the blue, reflecting the light back to you. Oh, I'm just a steel bird trying to whisper a word. And I thought I saw a signal flashing bright, flashing bright. Did you look up at the sky but I'm just a steel bird trying to whisper a word, looking down on the blue, reflecting the light back to you. Oh, I'm just a steel bird trying to whisper a word. Just a steel